withdrawing money from Pinterest to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Pinterest account. Log into your Pinterest account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account linked to your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to your settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Locate the Payments section. In the Settings menu, find the Payments or Monetization section. This is where you can manage your earnings and withdrawal options. Step 4. Add your bank account information. If you haven't already, enter your bank account details in the designated area. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. After your bank details are saved, look for the option to withdraw funds. Follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal process and confirm the transaction. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the deposit and keep an eye on any processing times.